Hello, and welcome to my channel. Today we'll be taking a look at the Osume Night Market Keycaps with the Novelty Kit. So let's get into it. Here's the box, the Night Market Keycaps, the Standard and Novelty Kit on the bottom right there. And we also have the Sakura Cable that I got with the Night Market Keycaps beside it. Take a look at that later. Here's the back of the box. Just a little tagline for the Night Market Keycaps. And here we'll open it up and let's take a look inside. So here is the standard kit. When you open it, you get the little card inside, little night market picture, the tagline again, colors on the bottom, beautiful colors. And there's that. A little sticker, a little card of authenticity designed by Osume. And here are the keycaps themselves. They look beautiful. And here is the novelty kit. Again, kind of disappointed there's no spacebar, but still look nice. And yeah, all the keycaps look amazing, no defects anywhere. And you can see it better once we get it open, but here they all are in the box. Spacebar's right there. Here's the keyboard I'm using right now. It's a GMMK 2, 65%, I believe, from Micro Center. And here's all the keycaps removed from the board. This is where I'll be putting the night market keycaps. So the Dusk keycaps I really do love, but it was just time for a change. So we'll go ahead and lay out the night market keycaps just to compare. So you can see right there. Let's get a closer look at the night market keycaps. Here they are installed onto the keyboard. And yeah, it looks beautiful. Very classy. Doesn't pop too much. I think it's just perfect. It's not too overwhelming. And I actually take this keyboard to work, so it should fit right in at work. Looks beautiful. And behind both the boxes there, you can see the Night Market Deskmat that I have. This complements the keyboard really well. Here it is turned on. RGB just makes it pop, so again, I'd highly recommend it. I'm happy with these keys. I think it makes the keyboard look beautiful. Just changes it up for me. And for those curious, here is the sticker and pin set for the night market. Just cool little trinkets. And just for those curious, here's the Sakura Cable box. This is just how it looked inside, for those who want to know. Just get the card again. take it out of the bag, and you can see the cable right there. So the big question here, should you go ahead and spend the $100 on these keycaps? Largely that's going to depend on if you already have a keyboard to put these keycaps into. That saves you a lot of money. And if you like the aesthetics of these keycaps. For me, that was an easy yes. Just because I love the look of these. And I already had a keyboard to put them into, since I use it for work. So it was worth it for me to just change up the look and try something new. So I would say if you like the look and you have a keyboard, it's an easy buy. The quality of them is great and I've been happy with it so far. Thank you for watching my first video. I hope you found it helpful, and please like and subscribe for more. See you guys next time.